the question is, what are the three generic phases of software engineering? The options are definition, development, support, what, how, where, programming, debugging, maintenance, and analysis, design, testing. The correct option is option A, definition, development, and support, because the three generic phases of software engineering are definition, development, and support. The definition phase focuses on aspects such as identifying the information to be processed, interfaces to be established, designing constraints that exist, validation criteria, etc. The development phase focuses on aspects such as specifying how data are structured, how a function is implemented in software architecture, and how interfaces are characterized, and so on. Lastly, the support phase focuses on aspects such as changes related to error correction or due to enhancements because of changing customer requirements and adaptations according to the software environment, etc. So the correct answer is definition, development, and support.